Oh, no, 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 oh, come on, man. I just gotta dab this up a little bit.
Hi, I'm Leah.
And I'm Michael.
And we're from Tape Art.
And it's raining today, so we are stuck inside.
That's all right. We're going to do another activity from the Tape Art Activity Kit. And it is one of our favorites. It is Tape Art Spills. Now, here's one that we have already started. This is a Tape Art water spill. Now, as you can see, it starts here with a bottle that we've covered in tape. And out from there starts to flow tape art water. You can see it goes right over any objects that we might want, and then also over the edge of the desk, onto the chair, and finally onto the floor. The good thing about the tape is that our spill can get as big as we want, depending on how much tape and energy we've got. We could take over this entire room.
All right, so we're gonna make some more spills and show you how it's done. First thing you want to do when you do a tape art spill is spill from something. So if you hit the recycle bin, you will find boxes, packaging.
The bottle that we use for the water spill.
And if you cover it completely in tape, all blue, all green, a little mixture of both, you're gonna have the perfect object to spill from.
It's really easy to do. We're just gonna cover these objects that we found in the recycle bin in tape.
And sometimes it doesn't have to be from the recycle bin. Leah here is covering just a standard glass. Picto tape is great because it will come off of those objects without leaving residue behind or messing it up.
I think we're ready to create a spill.
All right, here we go.
In the course of life, you will spill many things. Be not sad, O spiller, spiller of the cereal, spiller of the milk. Shed not a tear upon thy dewy cheek, for all spills are but reminders of the Doritos we once enjoyed.
Oh no, it looks like we got some explaining to do.
All right, we gotta go. Bye.
Bye.
And we're back. You're listening to Kiki and the Punchmaster After Dark on WTAPE Radio for the Wiki Wacky Sticky Variety Music Hour. Sponsored by the Tape Art Activity Kit. Click, link, find a way. Just get yourself a kit and get taping. Now, back to the music.
Please like and subscribe so they'll draw me a face.